Assalamualaikum. My Ramzan preparation was like I planned to mix beef and mutton together. I bought 1 kg beef and 1 kg mutton. Then I mince them and I make 1 to 10 packs like this. So when I'm gonna cook this mince, I'm gonna add some beans or dals or some vegetable. So it will be like properly a filler meal for a big family or two or one or 5 to 10 people, because when you add 5 onions or 4 tomatoes and some vegetables, it will make the size of the curry double. And then again you are gonna add some beans and some spices, some beans, or you can add some vegetables too. So this portion, just this portion, can cover 10 persons.
As I mentioned
easily
earlier, that if you add a
with
good amount of
naan or
vegetable
rice.
in a small portion of meat or mince, you can make a big filler, a pot of curry for a big family or for your dawat or for your guests. So here I am using the same amount of mince, half pack, with 4 onions, 4 tomatoes and a good quantity of garlic and ginger. So here I don't know why the meat is very smelly. Even some people try to boil the meat and throw the water after boiling it, but in my point of view, that makes meat, like all the minerals and all the good things from meat, will gonna waste. So why we do this? So me and my friend, we did what we did. Now we just put raw onion and mince together in frying step, so it will also help to kill the smell a bit. So by adding raw onion and garlic with mince while frying is help minimizing the smell of the mince. Even we are using so many spices and herbs to minimize the smell of this meat here. It helped a lot, it helped a bit, but the smell is not gone fully, like it is with you while you eating it. So I don't know, it's the specialty of meat here in UK that you feel the smell of it. I'll gonna write all the spices on the video screen, so you're gonna see what I use. So today I am pairing this meat or minced meat with brinjal or aubergines. So aubergines take quite a lot of time here to cook, so I am using pressure cooker today for that. So this pressure cooker is small and I'm cooking in 2 batches, and I'll show you the result of one batch. Aubergine and mince both together gives a really good texture and taste while eating. Even you are eating with chapati or you are eating with naan or rice, they taste fantastic with everything. So I realized that when we are cooking meat with Asian way, like Indian or Pakistani style meat curry, because we are using so many vegetables in that, in base onion and tomatoes are used, and mostly another vegetables are also add up afterwards. And if you are not using vegetable, you can add so many pulses and beans. There are like thousands of options available for making Asian curry with meat. So you can switch to any vegetable with a small portion of meat, and you can make a big batch of curry for your big family or your picnic party or your guest. So I hope this idea will give you a hint for a budget cooking. So we'll see you again with some different ideas, some different experiment with, yes, my son is sitting with me and his cartoons are on muted right now, and he's very angry about it, and he's anxiously waiting for finishing up the voiceover, which I am just politely asking him, just 5 minutes, give me 5 minutes. So yes, I hope you like the idea and you're gonna try this at home. And you can contact me on Instagram for your reviews. I'm gonna put a link there too. See you then, bye bye, and you enjoy some landscape in the meantime. Take care.